Today we are going to look at how easy it is to assemble the Bathmobile shower chair and commode. The Bathmobile is a highly adjustable commode and shower chair all in one. It's great for traveling and folds away easily. Straight from the box, the Bathmobile can be assembled by anyone in just a couple of minutes. Paul King, Osprey's sales director, shows how. Completely rust-proof, the Bathmobile is made from durable high-tech plastic for all toilet and shower environments. It is infection control compliant, and even has a 20-stone weight limit. Easy. Now, from a different angle. It has an adjustable height from 52 to 56 centimeters, and has an optional self-propelling wheel kit, available separately if required. The Bathmobile has flip-up armrests for easy transfers and improved comfort. You'll be glad to know it is also Geberit MiraCare toilet compatible. A whole host of accessories are available as optional extras, including an airport-compliant wheelable travel case. For further information about the Bathmobile, please contact Sitara via sitara.com.